Hello, friends. Today we are going to have fun with numbers. We will learn how to add. Adding means putting things together. Are you ready to start? When we add, we join two groups to make a bigger group, just like these cupcakes. How many are there? That's right, 3. How about now? How many cupcakes do you see? Yes, 5. That's because someone added 2 more cupcakes. We can use counters to help us see the numbers. Let's add 2 and 3. Here are 2 purple counters. Here are 3 yellow counters. Let's put them together. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now it's your turn. Try to solve the problems. 3 plus 2 equals? That's right, 5. Try this one. 1 plus 6 equals? Good job, 7. Last one. 4 plus 4 equals? Correct, 8. Great job today. You learned how to add numbers. Keep practicing and you will get even better. See you next time for more number fun.